Hey food lovers, welcome to another delicious dive into the world of culinary delights. Ever wondered how the legendary hamburger came to be? It's a story as rich and flavorful as the burger itself. Well, buckle up, because we're diving into a tasty history lesson today. From its humble beginnings to its rise as a global icon, the hamburger has a fascinating journey. Let's kick things off with the Hamburg Steak. This is where it all began. Picture this: German immigrants bringing over their love for minced beef patties. These were not just any patties, they were seasoned to perfection, a true testament to their culinary heritage. This was the OG hamburger patty, seasoned and cooked to perfection. It was a dish that showcased the simplicity and depth of flavor that minced beef could offer. But it was quite different from what we munch on today. The Hamburg steak was typically served on a plate, often with gravy and onions, a far cry from the handheld delight we know now. Now, fast forward to 1900 in New Haven, Connecticut. The scene was set for a culinary revolution. Enter Louis Lassen and his small lunch wagon. Louis was an innovator, always looking for ways to satisfy his customers' needs. Legend has it, a customer in a rush asked for something quick, portable, and satisfying. This request sparked an idea that would change the food world forever. Louis, being the culinary genius he was, slapped a grilled beef patty between two slices of bread, and boom! The first hamburger on a bun was born, simple yet revolutionary. This creation was not just a meal, it was a solution to a problem. This idea of a beef patty on a bun quickly became a hit. Why? Because it was more than just food. It was a convenient, delicious, and super affordable meal that fit perfectly into the fast-paced American lifestyle. Well, it was convenient, delicious, and super affordable. The hamburger was a meal that anyone could enjoy regardless of their budget. Diners, fairs, and eventually fast food joints couldn't get enough of it. The hamburger's popularity soared, and it became a staple in the American diet. The hamburger was now a staple in the American diet. Advertisements from the 1950s to the present day show how this simple meal captured the hearts and stomachs of millions. But why did this humble burger gain such fame? The answer lies in its sheer practicality and the joy it brings with every bite. The answer lies in its sheer practicality. It was designed to be quick, easy to eat, and perfect for people on the go. The hamburger was a meal that adapted to the needs of a rapidly changing society. It was designed to be quick, easy to eat, and perfect for people on the go. Workers, travelers, and anyone with a busy lifestyle found their perfect match in this handheld meal. Workers, travelers, and anyone with a busy lifestyle found their perfect match in this handheld meal. The hamburger was not just food, it was a companion for the modern, busy individual. The savory beef patty combined with a soft bun made for the ultimate portable, hearty meal. Add some cheese, lettuce, tomato, and a variety of condiments, and you have a customizable delight that caters to every taste. So, next time you sink your teeth into a juicy burger, remember its journey from a minced beef patty to a global icon. It's a story of innovation, adaptation, and pure culinary joy. It's more than just a meal, it's a slice of history. Each bite connects us to a rich tradition that spans continents and centuries. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious stories. Stay hungry, folks. The journey of the hamburger is far from over, and who knows what the next chapter will bring.